Hello, I'm Fernando from A-Smart Restaurant Supply. As a restaurant, you need your china to stand the test of time. World Tableware's Porcelana line of wares features bright white colors that'll push your food, maximum durability, and ultimately maximize profits that'll last years in your kitchen. Each of these pieces features bright white porcelain construction, which help push your food presentation and open many plating opportunities for you. Each of these pieces are also fully vitrified, making them non-porous and more sanitary to use, and also feature a protective glaze that resists chipping and heat resistance for years to come. The polished foot on the bottom also ensures that it won't snag on tablecloths or scratch any of your table surfaces, as you can see there, preserving your table and reducing your replacement costs there. All in all, A-Smart has a wide selection of porcelain available, from oval dinner plates to round plates, all the way to mugs and saucers. So whether you're a cafe or a restaurant, we have what you need when you need it now. If you like this video, there's plenty more waiting for you on our social media and YouTube channels, so give us a visit. If you want to shop World Tableware's Porcelana line of products, you can walk right into any one of our 15 Superstore locations today or shop online at asmart.com.